Hey guys, it's Julian with LeatherSeats.com. In today's tech tip video, I'm going to show you how to use quick splice connectors when hardwiring accessories into your vehicle. Using quick splice connectors is one way to tap into your vehicle's main power source without needing to cut or strip the wires. Each connector features two channels, an open channel for the existing main wire on the vehicle and a closed channel for the new tap wire from your accessory. Insert the existing main wire into the open channel. Next, fully insert the new tap wire from your accessory into the closed channel and depress the aluminum blade with a pair of pliers. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 866-NEW-SEAT or shoot us an email to sales@LeatherSeats.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.